Hi, I'm Eduardo Ramada from the Lorenzo's e-learning division. Our goal is to provide students with a hands-on industrial experience in a risk-free environment for both people and equipment, helping them to build confidence before stepping into the field. Plus, our virtual labs are available 24/7, allowing entire groups to practice simultaneously. Think with me for a second. Would you board in a plane if you knew the pilot had never trained in a simulator before? I don't think so. Our line includes both digital twins of the Lorenzo equipment, preparing students to seamlessly transition between the virtual and the physical, as well as completely independent scenarios covering topics such as automation, control, electrical machines and installations, robotics, artificial intelligence, and more. Yeah, but simulators are simulators and we already know how they work. You might have a point, but wait a minute. What sets our software apart? They are not just high-quality simulators with fancy 3D graphics, but a complete e-learning system that includes integrated courses guiding our students from basic concepts to advanced ones while tracking their progress along the way. This allows educators to monitor didactic performance in real time. Curious? Scan the QR code and let's talk. I'll be glad to help your institution take advantage of these powerful tools. Ciao!